Hi, to set up notification pop-up style on this Samsung Galaxy A34, we need to open settings and here go in the notifications tab. After that, just select this pop-up style and now we can customize this setting if you select the brief option. If you go in the details, you won't be able to see any setting for more customization. So let's switch to the brief, and the first thing we can see is apps to show as brief. Here you can either enable or disable some of the apps, then go back and check this interesting feature Edge Lightning style. So you can switch to the bubble for example, and that is how it will look now. This is the heart option, and we have many other options from the list. You can also go in the color and from the auto switch to choose the color manually. And in the advanced, you can just change the transparency and duration. And don't forget to save the changes by pressing the done button. Now after that, we can also go in this color by keyword. And here we can brighten up notification with colors when the titles matches names or words that matter to you. So just enter any word here, for example, hi, tap the plus and select the color. I'm gonna choose this pink one and then save the changes by tapping the done button. And now when someone will send you hi notification, you will get it in this pink color. So the last feature is show even while screen is off. I suggest you to keep it enabled. And that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.